that shades can do on a two-dimensional surface is quite a fascinating phenomenon, because you're seeing something that technically doesn't actually exist. It's an illusion, optical, and surrealism is just, I find surrealistic art to be quite a fascinating phenomenon, because some of these artists who do juxtaposition of incongruity, your mind have to be quite your mind have to be so unorthodox, because the juxtaposition sometimes is so incoherent. Sometimes these two polarity in objects that emerges together have no commonality whatsoever, and I try to figure out, well, how does that artist in his mind find merge these two objects together, these two polarity together, and find a cohesiveness, a single cohesive polarity, a single cohesive polarity, and you see that in surrealism. So yeah, man, I think art is fascinating. Art is a phenomenon. Art is a phenomenon.